The creation of an electrode is realized through a single dialog. By selecting the holder, the relevant part and direction, the electrode creation type, and the burn area, automatically found from a seed face, the electrode is created. Material can be added to the electrode to strengthen it. Electrodes can be copied automatically by selecting a reference face and manually by selecting similar faces in different areas. We can also edit the electrode and add burn faces, thereby creating one electrode to burn all the ribs at the same time. Electrodes can be created by Boolean operation as well. In this case, we select an area using the SolidWorks selection tools and modify the height of the electrode blank. Often we need to clear the material for electrodes created in this manner. We can do this through the Add Clearance menu or using standard SolidWorks tools. Next, we create a spark gap. Finally, we create an electrode in an area where there is a hole. As you can see, we get a warning from ElectrodeWorks. Holes or gaps in selected areas can be either found or closed or ignored during this process. Closing the hole during the process is a real time saver. Electrode data can be modified to set spark gaps, material, and technology. The data is stored in electrode part properties and can be output to an Excel file, EDM machine format, and EDM and manufacturing drawings. For further details, check out our online demo library from the R&B website. Please contact your local SolidWorks reseller or R&B directly for more information.